everyone, welcome to my channel Garden Stories. So in today's video we will learn how to grow spinach fast in pots at your home. Spinach or palaK is rich source of iron, vitamins and antioxidants. So it has many health benefits. Here I have taken a piece of cotton cloth, cocoa peat and fresh spinach seeds. Now mix the seeds with cocoa peat really well. You can also use compost or vermicompost, anything instead of cocoa peat. So mix it really well. Now moist this mixture. Remember, we have to just moist it, do not put much water. So basically this whole process will increase the germination rate of seeds. Now just wrap them and tie it with something like rubber band. Sprinkle a little bit of more water over it and place this for 24 hours in dark room or semi-shaded area. For potting mix, take 60% normal garden soil and 40% organic manure. Take out the seeds along with cocoa peat used. And now sprinkle this mixture. Spread the seeds uniformly. Make thin layer of it. Now cover the seed with layer of potting mix. In summers, keep this pot in semi-shaded areas and water it regularly, even twice a day. Now water the pot really well. So after 5 days, most of the seeds have germinated. In summers, the germination rate of spinach drops about 50%. So, the key to grow spinach in summer is to water it frequently, even twice a day, because watering helps to cool down the temperature of soil, as spinach is a cool weather crop. So, you can also try growing spinach in summers also.